Hello everyone, Ishani here. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And also, I regularly share my projects on Instagram with the name Quillish. If you're on Instagram, I would love if you'd take a look on my account. Now coming to my project, today I have a beautiful floral bouquet in an envelope as a card which can be sent to your loved ones. I'm going to use vellum paper by CrafTangles, which is 180 GSM in weight, and I'm going to use VR Memory Keeper's 123 punch board for making my envelope. For the envelope, which will be the size 2 by 3.5, the paper size needs to be 5 and 1 by 8 and the punch guide too. I take my vellum sheet and put it at 2 and score as per the directions and punch. I go around 90 degrees, check my scored lines, score again and punch, and I do it at all the 4 sides. I round the 2 flaps and with my fingers I burnish all the sides and make my envelope. I take a tape runner and adhere one of the flaps for the base of the envelope. Now here the envelope is ready, and let's get on to making the card. I am taking CrafTangles stencil called XOXO and on natural white paper, which is the base for my card. With the blending brush, I blend Distress Oxide in Picked Raspberry color. And for the panel to be ready, I cut it with a frame die. For the sentiment, I am using the Love Sentiment element sheets, and I am going to cut out Sending Love with paper trimmer. For some interest, I am going to give it a fishtail banner look. For the card base, I am using Rose Pink cardstock by CrafTangles. I cut an A2 size top folding note card, and here I am assembling all my elements and checking how it will look together. Do you see the flowers that are inside the envelope? These are the Spring Flower Element sheets by CrafTangles. I fussy cut my flowers, and with the tape runner I adhere them inside my envelope. To assemble my card, I use Fevistick, the back of XOXO panel. I take the envelope and I'm going to give it a tilt, and again with the tape runner I adhere my envelope. I've got a little heart which I've got because the tape is visible on the vellum, so this would be helpful in hiding it. I put some foam tape behind my sentiment and adhere it on my envelope. So here is a lovely floral card with the envelope full of flowers and love for your loved ones. I hope you liked this card and would try something like this yourself. Do not forget to check my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead and happy crafting!